Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into one of the cutest and most functional backpacks on the market, the best Shidai Kawaii Girl Backpack. This backpack is designed not only to turn heads with its adorable aesthetic but also to serve as a practical companion for school, travel, or everyday use. The Shidai Kawaii Girl Backpack is made from high-quality nylon, ensuring durability while maintaining a lightweight feel. Measuring approximately 12.6 inches in length, 5.1 inches in width, and 16.9 inches in height, it strikes the perfect balance between compactness and spaciousness. This backpack has a total capacity of 15 liters, providing ample room to carry all the essentials a young girl might need, from books and stationery to small personal items. One of the standout features of this backpack is the thoughtful design and accessories that come with it. Included in the package are 3 pins, 2 plush toys, a hanging ornament, and 3 decorative cards, which add to the charm and personalization options for the user. The wide shoulder straps are padded and designed to be comfortable, making it easy to carry even when the bag is fully packed. Whether it's for school, family outings, travel, camping, or photography sessions, this backpack is versatile enough to suit a variety of occasions. The appealing colors available, including black, blue, pink, and beige, allow for individual style preferences, making it a fashionable choice for young girls. Its novelty design with kawaii elements makes it stand out, perfectly blending youthful energy with functional design. Maintaining this backpack is simple. It is recommended to hand wash it gently without using bleach, preserving the material's quality and vibrant look over time. The bag's sturdy construction and high-quality nylon material ensure it can withstand everyday wear and tear. This backpack is an excellent gift option, ideal for birthdays, Valentine's Day, Christmas, or graduation. It's not just a backpack but a stylish accessory that children will be proud to carry around. In summary, the Shidai Kawaii Girl Backpack is a delightful combination of cute design and practical features. It offers sufficient space, comfort, and durability while being a fun and fashionable accessory. If you're looking for a backpack that can meet your child's daily needs and add a touch of charm to their school days, this might just be the perfect choice. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more honest and detailed product insights. See you next time.